Hold on to your seats, people, as we attempt to put this massive eucalyptus on the ground, using every bit of felling knowledge I've ever learnt. One thing I can promise you, something in this video does fail. So sit back and enjoy Risky Tree Work 1.
What we have here is a very serious situation. Make no mistake, people, this type of work is very dangerous and should only be undertaken by professionals. So, in 2013, we had fires come across these hills here and it wiped out 170 homes through these valleys and all the way to the east coast of Tasmania. This tree was affected by those fires, and as you can see, she's cracking. The owners are very worried about this tree, especially having their shearing shed in such close proximity. Take you for a walk around it. So, just here we have a holding strap. It's not very big. Very, very thin, this wood here. So there's not much holding wood. She has a back strap. The back strap travels just through this bit just here. And just here, hollow again. We have another strap just here. It's only thin. So we have another holding strap here. As you can see, this is where the owner is really concerned about this tree with its cracking. It is an absolute whopper. So the stability of this tree has been well compromised by the fire. It's going to be very hard to directionally fell this. The only way that we can get some sort of direction on this tree is to put a rope right up in the top, attach it to a 4-ton excavator, and hopefully sway the difference of the lean. We need to send it out through the paddock out here. I'll show you that. This is where we want to try and send it straight up into there. This is where we need to try and make it land. But as you can see, it's not going to be easy.
Putting these ratchet straps on will hopefully hold the tree together when we start making the cuts. Got the tension just right. So putting in the first part of the front back to the sapwood was actually quite successful. The tree kind of did what I thought it was going to do, whereas it sat back about 2 inches, and I saw the tree actually move when I cut through this bit just here. Well, I did say there was going to be a fail in this video, and I'm going to stay true to my word. Here we go. This is the first time I have ever blown up a chainsaw.
She's gone.
I've been running this saw since 2013, and today she gave up the ghost. It's also ironic that today was the very first day that I started my brand new 462. I just couldn't believe it. It was written like a book. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe, and that way you won't miss out on our upcoming films. Till next time, see you later.